Hello, you lovely people. Welcome to Accounting Lecture, one of the most loved accounting YouTube channels. And thanks for your appreciations that hundreds of you, even thousands of you have already subscribed and liked it. Many of you are doing great by watching my videos. You're passing with good grades and replying me in comments. I really appreciate your comments and the likes you give back to me. That motivates me to do good work for you people. This particular video, I'm going to show you another trick how to remember debit and credit items. And the trick is called DEAD CLIC. D-E-A-D. Oops, it sounds like deadly. And touch the dead. C-L-I-C. Well, you write like this way. D-E-A-D, dead. Then C-L-I-C, click. D denotes doctor, debit. C-R, credit. So the bottom items are debit and items here are credit. Debit, is expenses, doesn't he? A for assets. D for exactly drawings. These are all your debit items. And CR on the other side. L for liabilities. I for income. C for capital. All these are your credit items. Now expense. Lots of expense could be there. Discount allowed, rent paid, electricity paid, wages paid, assets, non-current and current assets could be there. Drawings, the money withdrawn by the owner for his or her personal use. Liabilities could be non-current and current. Income, rent received, even the sales, discount received, commission received, capital money introduced by the owner. All these are credit. That's all. If you remember this, you remember your debit credit. There is one more trick which is called PEARSL. Check the video given and the link so you will learn more about PEARSL. That's all, and I'm saying goodbye. Hope to see you some other videos. Be confident. Your tutor is a qualified chartered accountant and been teaching more than 15 years both in United Kingdom and other Asian countries. And be confident in your studies with full motivation. I'd really appreciate that you search for knowledge in internet, then you come across us, and what I can say, good luck and get some good results for us.